Hi everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to connect your Instagram account to TikTok. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone and log in if you are not already signed in. On the home screen, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Here, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, look for the Accounts section. In this section, tap on Switch to Business Account. Now TikTok will guide you through a few setup screens. Just keep tapping Next until you reach the category screen. On this screen, select any category that you like. After that, tap Next again. TikTok may ask you to add an email address for your business account. If you see this step, you can simply skip it. Once you are done, go back to your profile page. On this page, tap on Edit Profile. Now scroll down until you find the Social section. In this section, you will see the options to connect Instagram or YouTube. Tap on Instagram. At this point, a new window will open asking you to log in to your Instagram account. Type in your Instagram username and password carefully. This is how you connect Instagram to TikTok. Thanks for watching.